Hi, this is Rachel with Inkfarm.com. Today I'll be showing you the differences between genuine Canon 240-241 series ink cartridges and our own 240-241 compatible cartridges. I'll also demonstrate how to remove the old cartridges and install the new cartridges in your printer. This is how the genuine Canon 240-241 ink cartridges come. And this is how our compatible cartridges come, just in a clear plastic wrap. I'm now going to show you how to install our cartridges in your printer. Grab the handle and open the paper output cover. The carriage will then move itself into the install position and the head cover should open automatically. For this example, we will be replacing only the black cartridge. To remove the old cartridge, lower the ink cartridge lock lever. Then, pull the spent cartridge. It should slide easily out of the carriage. Before installing the new cartridge, you'll need to remove the plastic clip and protective tape from the cartridge. To remove the clip, hold the cartridge with one hand. Then with your other hand, release the clip from the top of the cartridge like so. Once the clip is removed, grab the protective tape and pull to expose the print head. You are now ready to install the cartridge in the printer. After making sure you have the right cartridge for the slot, insert the cartridge. Then, lift the cartridge lock lever. Once the cartridge is installed, close the paper output cover, insert your paper into the feed tray, and lower the paper output tray. Now you're ready to print. I'm going to go ahead and make a copy. Remember, all of our remanufactured and compatible ink and toner cartridges come with a 2-year money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching this Inkfarm.com video.